Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. My name is Tina Bear, and today we are making Asian pork lettuce wraps. So it's really super easy. We are going to chop up some onion. I have a sweet onion. You could use a medium onion, but this is a little large. And you just want some small dices. Easier like that. Okay. Look, I'm not even crying. This is such a good onion. I had it in the refrigerator, so I don't know if that's what makes a difference. You know, they say sometimes if you leave your onions in the refrigerator that they won't make you cry. Hit the saute. Go ahead and put the onion in, just like that. And then we are going to put almost everything in because we're going to make a slurry. I'm going to chop up the pork and then we'll shred it. So we have some yummy sweet and sour. No, we don't. We have some yummy soy sauce. And we have some sweet balsamic vinegar right here. So good. Some chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you could use water or you could use some vegetable broth. Garlic, a little bit of brown sugar to make it sweet. We got sesame oil, which is one of my favorites. And we have a little bit of honey. Get all that honey in there. I'm a big honey fan. And of course I have some ginger. I love ginger. You could use fresh or minced from the market. And we're gonna go ahead and let that kind of meld together. Warm up, just like that. It smells so good. And then with the pork loin, we're going to go ahead and give it a rough chop because we're going to shred it and put it on some lettuce wraps. Just like that. And we're going to go ahead and put it in. I am going to set it for about 20 minutes. Then we're going to take it out, shred it up. I'm going to make a slurry so the sauce gets nice and thick. And then I'm going to make the wraps. It's going to be delicious. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited for you to see these Asian pulled pork lettuce wraps. They're so good. We went ahead and naturally released, and then we quick released and got the rest of the pressure out. So I hit saute. And I'm going to go ahead and take out this pork. Woo! It is hot. Look at that. It smells amazing. So good. Okay. So we're going to take out the pork. And then I'm going to make a quick slurry. We're going to thicken up the sauce with a little bit of water and cornstarch. Just add a little bit of cold water into the cornstarch. Stir it up. Get all the lumps out. Now you don't just want to pour in your cornstarch because it'll make a lumpy, you'll have bits of cornstarch in there, all clumpy. Just add it in like that. Give it a quick stir. Now while that is coming back up to a boil and getting thick, I'm going to go ahead and shred some of this pork. I probably do better with a knife and a fork. Oh, it's making my mouth water so good. me get a knife. There you go. It's just so much easier like that. I'm not like throwing my pork around. Just like that. Little pieces of pork. This one got away. It's so good. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Back in the pot. Everybody back in the pot. Except for this guy. Oh, so good. The pork is so moist and tender. I'm gonna give this a little stir. Now, if you want people if you want to set it up like a buffet style, have people walk over, set your Instapot on warm. It'll keep the pork warm. I'm gonna turn it off for right now. And they could just put together either a slider or a wrap, whatever they feel for. We're gonna do a wrap. I'm gonna do 2 wraps. Oh my gosh. I'm excited, I'm starving. Now you might want to add a little bit of cilantro on here. I'm going to do a little bit of green onion. I think that's good. You could put sesame seeds. Can you see that? I'm just going to go ahead and take a bite. Woo! It's a little package of goodness. It's so yummy. If you put this on bread, the juices will absorb in the bread. Oh. So good. I hope you try it. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, like, and comment. Give us a shout out. Be kind to each other. I hope you enjoy.